Laser surgery for pets involves using concentrated light sources as a surgical tool. Here to tell us more about it is Dr. Bill Lewis from the Lincoln Highway Vet Clinic in Lancaster. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
All right, so we're talking surgical lasers.
Right.
Commonly used for what types of things when we're talking about our pets?
Everything. I mean, it can be used for any type of surgical procedure.
Okay.
The laser can be used for.
Give me some examples.
Spays, neuters.
Okay.
I've done respiratory surgeries. If the soft palate's been too long, I've been able to resect it. With the laser, we've done nasal surgeries, intestinal, amputations, anal gland surgeries, ear surgeries, certain eye surgeries, wart removals, all
Truly
of that can
anything.
be done anything.
So you have some images that you want to show us.
Yep.
Let's talk, this is the machine.
Yep, this is the machine itself.
How does it work?
What the machine itself will produce the actual laser, and then what we're able to do on the screen here is we're able to put in what we want as far as the energy to come out. So we can dictate the amount of wattage that goes in, the time that's used, and produces what are called joules. And based on the energy that we need or the surgery that we're using dictates a little bit of the amount of energy that we use.
And I know we briefly just talked about what types of surgeries this can do, but you also have images of what it can do. So let's see those, and you can talk
Basically
about this.
what we're doing here is this is a dog spay, and it's the laser instrument that I'm holding there. And as you can see, it's making the cut through the skin, and then we just kind of dissect down. But if you notice from the surgery, and this is after our incision's made, there's absolutely no blood whatsoever.
Wow.
That is post-operative, not clean. There's no blood.
Wow.
It sears, cauterizes the blood vessels, so it seals them off. It seals off the lymph vessels, which causes a lot of your postoperative swelling.
Okay.
It seals them off so you don't have your postoperative swellings. It seals off the nerve endings, and that's one of the most important things. You don't have your postoperative discomforts.
So it sounds like it's actually much easier for the animal and the vet as well. Yeah.
I'm going to put it this way, yes and no.
Okay.
It's much better for the pet.
Yeah.
As far as a surgeon is concerned, I actually can do surgeries quicker with the scalpel blade because you just cut.
Is that right? Okay.
However, then you've got all the bleeding.
Right.
So then it's the clamps and the ties, and you get the post-operative swellings, you get the bruising, you get all of those problems that come about with it. The animals feel more discomfort. They go home, they're more achy. They don't eat as well. So your recovery is quicker. The healing is quicker. Sometimes we have to be a little careful because they feel a little too good when they go home. So you always have to be a little careful they don't overdo it.
Right.
But we've done it on everything from, of course, the dogs and the cats. We've done it on hamsters, guinea pigs, rabbit surgeries. We've done it on other exotic surgeries. I mean, it's phenomenal.
Is it an expensive option to use laser?
I'll put it to you, it kind of shouldn't be, so to speak, because it's just that much better.
Right.
However, with any type of instrument, you have overhead, and so you do have to pay it off. So some of the surgeries may potentially be a little bit more expensive. I had the benefit of when I bought my particular clinic, it already had one in. So I didn't have that overhead, so to speak.
They can be, I mean,
right.
a
And
lot of money.
The gentleman that I bought it from only used it in 2 surgeries. That was it. He wouldn't use them in all of them. And my attitude was, if it's that good for those 2, why not use it for all of them? And it's phenomenal how well it's done. I can remember a little pooch that we had to actually amputate a part of the tongue, and the surgery was allowed to amputate it. There was absolutely no bleeding whatsoever. We didn't have to stitch anything up.
Wow.
Dog did wonderful. And this is actually what's called a waveguide. This actually attaches to the laser itself, the machine, and then this kind of drapes over my shoulder, and this is what I hold on to make.
So the light comes through there. Wow.
Yep. But this piece of equipment, even though it doesn't look like much, is $650, which unfortunately they don't last. Is probably in the $35,000 to $40,000 range, depending. But it's worth the investment. It really is.
Sounds like it. Yeah, it really sounds like it.
Yeah.
All right. Well, for more information for you guys at home, you can always find this interview and more information on our website, FOX43.com. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're very welcome.